Hello everyone. This is another video. Today I am going to discuss with you how to write a book review. I am going to suggest you 6 easy steps with which you can start writing the book reviews. So let's begin. This is the first step. When you have completed reading a book and you wish to review that book, so you can start with just a brief summary of the book. Write down a brief summary, and this could be the basic about the idea, the whole idea contained into that book. This is probably the best way to introduce any review because it gives you a context, and you can, and the audience of yours will be able to relate with that idea. The next is, but make sure that it must be that should not be too much detailed. It should be very short and sweet. The second step is, pick out the most important aspect of the book. Break this down into characters, word building, themes, and plots. This might vary between books and genres. As you all know, you must be reading the books of different tastes, different genres. So according to your taste, your genre, whatever you are reading, you just need to pick down some important aspects the book dealing with. Another step within this step is, dedicate a paragraph to each of these important aspects. And if you are reading literature, so you can divide it into the story, how the plot has been created, how the characters has been chosen, and so on. The next step is, include brief quotes as examples. You can always quote some examples from that book, and including these quotes because it gives for example, you are talking about a character who is very witty, so you must quote some lines from that witty character so that it gives you the idea how witty the character has been. The next step is, write a conclusion that summarizes everything, and finally you need to write down the summary of the book, like a summary of your review, not that book, but your review, your idea, the total idea of yours, according to you, how the book is. The next is, find similar books. Great. You can, yes, this is another great idea to correlate this book, the what kind of book it is actually. As you can, if you are reviewing the comics, so you can say like which comic you have been reading earlier, this is of the same kind. Yes. So another thing is, you need to keep in mind is, you can also be more specific, looking at the exact thing that might make two books similar. The sixth and the final step is, give it a star rating. Yes, as you all know, we have been reviewing cars or bikes and movies and so on. So reviewing on star ratings gives a perfect idea of the stature of that book. So you can always go for a 5-point scale or a 10-point scale, and this can also be divided into for characters you can give 3 stars out of 5, and for plot you can give 5 stars out of 5. For world building you can again give 4 stars out of 5. So this is how you can assess that book. So this gives the exact idea to the reader how the book is actually. And this is all about reviewing a book. Start reading, start reviewing. All the best. Thank you.